Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to put your video in slow motion on Snapchat. Now without further ado, let's get started. First, let's head on to Snapchat. And now let me just record a video real quick. Like that. So this should be good already. Now once you've done recording your video, just swipe right on the screen until you see this icon right here, the snail icon. So just like that, my video is now in slow motion on Snapchat. So next, if you want to save your video or just add a story to your video, just click on right here and click on next, and now you can send your snap or your video to your friends, or you can add a story to your Snapchat with a slow motion video. So that's it for this video everyone, and make sure to give this video a like, subscribe, and click on that notification bell for more contents like this. Bye!